Working in a washdown environment? Then you know the drill. Everything gets cleaned every single day. But let's be real, most computers can't handle that kind of abuse. Enter the UTC-500 series. This piece is fully IP66 and IP69K rated, meaning it's completely sealed off from water, dust, and whatever else your workday throws at it. From the front panel to the rear enclosure, every inch is protected, even when hit with high-pressure cleaning. No leaks, no downtime, just non-stop reliability. All I/O ports, M12 connectors, watertight, moisture-proof, and built to last. And with its stainless anti-corrosion surface, the UTC-500 wipes clean in seconds. Perfect for hygiene-critical spaces where cleanliness isn't an option. Durable, waterproof, easy to clean. The UTC-500 isn't just another industrial computer. It's your toughest coworker, ready to go every single day. Want to see how the UTC-500 can transform your operation? Click the link below to schedule a live demo or request a quote today.